Hello guys, welcome back, and I will be showing you guys my Lego collection. As you can see here, I've got my Lego McLaren Senna GTR, which I built a couple of weeks ago. And then I've got my Lego Dragster, which I got on for my birthday from a friend, which I'm very grateful for. And it also comes with my own little nightstand, which is cool. And then here's my biggest set on my table at the moment, which is like a pirate ship. Can't even fit in the whole frame, so I need to bring the camera back a bit. So there we go. Here's the shark that comes with it. There's his friend. Hello. There's he goes. Hi, I'm here to eat you. And here is my latest, well, not so much latest creation, but here is a creation that I made. So guys, so here's a creation that I made. So it's pretty cool. It's a TV remote. Caught it. Luckily, caught it. I can just stand like that. And then here comes the big show. I'm in a Lego Speed Champions phase at the moment, guys. So here we have 3 of my Lego Speed Champions. Here we have a Lamborghini. Let me just get the boxes out for you guys, and then you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna move in this and run it away for you guys. There we go. There's that set right there. So, as normal Lego things do, they've got stickers like that. Go to the back. Pretty awesome detail. Come on. There we are. Pretty awesome detail. Front, top view, and nothing new there. And guys, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. I am back. But here we have the front of the Lamborghini US. Then going to be bringing the Lamborghini Hurricane Super Profile Evolution. Have that. It's looking pretty cool. I absolutely love the detail on it. Absolutely love it. Rotate it around. There we go. Get the front. Like so. Detail is absolutely outstanding. And now time to look at the big feature of this set. That is this piece right here. Had to make all by myself. Come on, buddy. There we are. If you actually bring that section around, you can actually make the light switch. How about the web? Yeah. Okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now I'm just gonna bring that guy down to where he belongs. Just right down there. Here comes in the listen. Yeah, that's fast like safe. You have this. Taking out the car farts real quick. So yeah, there's that. Oh yeah, I also forgot to show off the minifigures. Included. There's minifigure number 1. I'm not gonna bother to try and take. There's minifigure number 2. Here's minifigure number 3. You can see. There it is. So yeah. There's that. Also going to be showing off some play features as well. So I'll get to that real soon. I mean real soon, I mean now. So there are some play features to the ship. You can actually rotate this piece here to actually chain out. It's cool. You can then rotate it still. Bring the anchor up. And just bring the anchor on an angle, like so. Like that. And if we then come all the way back here, if I just remove Captain, if I just move that section around, and then come in here, not do that, of course. You can actually bring this section up. Oh, no way. There we go. Now let's come up. See? We then come here. Then section 8. Dip him around. And section 8. And then here. Open up these guys here, like so. And we basically have an exploding ship. But apart from that, there's not that much play features to it, which is fine. It's only a little creator set. Not that much pieces to it anyway. Oh crap. There we go. Time for my Lego Technic. Time for my Lego Technics sets. Now, I'm going to bring this guy back. It's actually wall, so that's awesome. And I break a piece off the ship. Back here, it's all Lego, so it's an easy fix. That's basically one of the play features to this set. This set, on the other hand, different story. So the doors can open, the wheels can turn, the engine moves, yes, the wing doesn't move. This section up, I can go bobbing away if it wants to. That's basically the main features of the Technic set. But here we have my Lego collection. For all you guys who haven't seen it, here it is. And I'm gonna switch the camera around right now. I want to say thank you for staying by, and thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later. And until next time, see you later, guys.